hot off the printer. This in my hand is a winter weather advisory from the National Weather Service. Snow is expected for Tuesday. A low pressure system forming in the Gulf of Mexico is forecast to move rapidly northeast and pass east of the Delaware and New Jersey coasts on Tuesday. 2:53 p.m. Update. Winter weather advisory is in effect from 6 a.m. Tuesday to midnight Tuesday night, a span of 18 hours. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a winter weather advisory for most of eastern Pennsylvania and the northern half of New Jersey. Accumulations are expected to average 2 to 4 inches with some higher amounts possible in New Jersey. Light snow is expected to start late tonight and pick up in intensity on Tuesday. The snow could arrive in time to impact the morning commute, which should have a greater impact on afternoon and early evening travel. The heaviest of the snow should be over by the evening, but light snow or flurries will linger through Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Once again, accumulations are expected to average 2 to 4 inches with some higher amounts possible in New Jersey. A winter weather advisory means that snow will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving. The forecast. Today's high was 54. Tonight, the chance of snow after 1 a.m. Low, 29. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Coating to 1 inch expected. Tuesday, snow. Heavy at times in the afternoon. High, 34. Chance of precipitation, 90%. Snow will accumulate an additional 2 to 4 inches, totaling 4 to 5 inches. 3 to 5 inches. Sorry. Tuesday night. Snow likely before midnight, then a chance for flurries. Mostly cloudy with a low of 16. Chance of precipitation is 60%. Wednesday. Mostly cloudy with the chance of flurries, especially in the morning. High 28. Very cold. Winds windy as well. Winds will be northwest between 10 and 20 miles an hour. With gusts as high as 30. That is the essential part of the forecast. Once again, a winter weather advisory is in effect, and we're expecting 2 to 4 inches or so of snow. That's it for now. Drive carefully.